Hi there, this is Paolo with Bark. Let's set up your kid's Android device today. This could be a Samsung, a Pixel, a Nokia, or another Android like that. We won't be covering how to set up a Bark phone in this video, but if you're interested, check out our How to Set Up Bark Phone video. Now that we've got the right folks still watching, let's set up monitoring, screen time, and location features by installing the Bark Kids app on your kid's Android. On your kid's Android, open up a web browser like Chrome. Type in bark.us/Android and tap Download Bark Kids. Once the file is finished downloading, tap on Open. If you don't see that prompt about opening, try to scroll down from the top of the screen. You'll likely be able to open it that way. And when you first open the file, you get a warning about downloading apps from unknown sources. Click on Settings and select Allow from this source. This time, you'll be able to tap Install. If it gives you a notice about being unable to install the app and to contact your IT administrator or contact your parent, it sounds like you probably are using Family Link on your kid's device, which is totally compatible with Bark, but you just have to make an adjustment in your Family Link parent app. So on your parent device, pull up your Family Link parent app, or you can go to families.google.com on a browser on your parent device, tap on your kid, tap Controls, tap on their Android device, and then tap Allow Apps from Unknown Sources. While you're here, make sure that Add or Remove Users is off and that Developer Mode options is also off. This prevents your kid from tampering with both Google Family Link and Bark. If you also use Google Family Link app time limits, set the Bark Kids app, sometimes mislabeled Bark for Chromebooks app in Google Family Link, to be always allowed. Once you're done adjusting those Family Link settings, try to install the Bark Kids app again. You may have to reboot your kid's Android for the Family Link changes to take effect. Now that we've installed Bark Kids, we're going to open it up and we'll see that it needs a device code. Set your kid's phone aside, and on your parent device, open the Bark Parent app or dashboard. Tap on More if you're on mobile, or the drop-down menu if you're on desktop, and then tap Get Device Code. Select your kid's name. If it's a shared device, consider creating a child named Shared Device or something to that effect. Then enter that device code into the Bark Kids app. You'll see a few prompts asking for permission to different things. Tap Allow on all those prompts. If you see this background location prompt, tap Open Settings. Then tap Permissions. Tap Location. Select Allow all the time to enable our location tracking feature. Also double check that precise location is enabled. If you don't want to track location of your kid's device, then you can leave it as while using the app. Now tap back to continue the Bark Kids app setup. If your kid's Android is newer, you'll also see a prompt about disabling private DNS. Tap on Settings and make sure it's set to Off if it isn't already. Then continue the setup of Bark Kids. Tap OK on the VPN. You'll need that to be running for the screen time features. Tap Open Settings on the accessibility prompt. Tap on Bark under Services and make sure to enable it. If instead you're seeing accessibility for Bark is grayed out and gives you this error, you'll need to do these additional steps on your kid's Android device. First, open the Settings app. Then tap Apps. Tap Bark Kids. Tap the three dots on the top right and tap Allow Restricted Settings. Now tap back a few times so you land in the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Bark under Services. And now you should be able to enable it. Return back to the Bark Kids app and we're going to tap on the check-in button just to make sure that the location feature is working. You should get a notification or alert to your email and/or parent app with their location at that time. You can always manage those notification settings in the alert settings section of your parent app or dashboard. And you can always check their latest location by checking your family map at the top of your dashboard or by tapping the location tile under your child. That's it. You've now set up monitoring, screen time, and location features on your kid's Android device. Also keep in mind that after 5 minutes or so, our uninstall and setting protections kick in. Your kid can't uninstall the Bark Kids app, nor edit important Bark settings without your permission. Also use your Bark Parent app to check on alerts about self-harm, bullying, sexting, and more that may be found in your kid's Android texts, photos, videos, or social media DMs. In there, you can also add additional monitoring by tapping on the monitoring tile and selecting Add New Apps. Tap on the screen time tile to block internet to apps and sites and set screen time schedules. Check out our other videos for more tips on getting the most out of Bark. In the meantime, if you need further assistance not covered by our videos, don't hesitate to reach out to us at help@bark.us.